Good morning, Naveed Anju. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How is going on the conference?
So very nice. The activities going on there. Lots of companies have installed their stalls and they have been guiding the people from industries, from the services companies. There are exploration companies, and it's a very diverse environment. And for this, in this ITC, for the first time, the managerial staff, they have included a section on the mineral, clean energy, or the green energy technology. Because according to the UNFCCC, the Kyoto Protocols and the Paris Agreement, the world is now going to decrease their dependency on the fossil fuels, and they are going to shift their energy resources in the form of clean energy. So the future dependency is going to increase on the clean minerals or the green minerals, which like cobalt, like copper, like lithium, chromium. These are those minerals which will be used as a clean energy or green energy resources and for the future. So the oil companies have now a very good opportunity, a very significant chance to shift their business. Some portion at least should be shifted to make investment in the exploration of the clean and green energy, and then after exploring these deposits, they will have to exploit them. But their exploitation should not stop to just export them to foreign countries. The raw material should not be transported to foreign countries because we have to buy them again. So these oil companies should make such a strategic model that they explore, then exploit, and then they upgrade those materials. They beneficiate those materials and they install refineries so that the copper, if it's like 1%, it is upgraded to 95, 99%, and then it is readily used in industries in Pakistan, and that value added material should be then used in Pakistan as well as into the foreign countries.
What do you think that what is your stance about the government initiative from this clean energy
Some of
progress
the
in Pakistan?
yes, this is what I already mentioned, that some of the oil companies, they have started shifting to the mineral industry to become. But unluckily in Pakistan, the oil exploration has been declared as petroleum industry, but the minerals have not been declared as mineral industry. So this is now the high time that the petroleum companies, these are the biggest companies, they have a huge capital investment. If they could take out leases on different parts of country, like in North Pakistan, along the Kohistan Island or Karakoram Plate, and same if they do along the Chaghi Magmatic Ore. You know, the Chaghi Magmatic Ore is considered to be one of the largest copper belt in the world. I will again endorse that it is the largest copper, molybdenum, gold belt in the world. But due to this lack of investment so far, we have not obtained that much benefit from it. So now, if these intelligent oil companies, they start investing in particularly in the Chaghi belt as well as in the Kohistan Island or North Pakistan, so there are hopes that they will explore, exploit, and then install the refineries and beneficiation plant for that. So that will definitely upgrade to the maximum the economy of our country, and petroleum will be recognized the mining will be recognized as a real mining industry. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Rashad. Thank you.
Beautiful.